Hey guys, what's going on? And I am looking at the new now. I'm not sure if it's fully installed yet, but I just don't. Yep, I think it is. If this turns out to be a boring, just showing you the fairness changes, then sorry, out of luck. But if there's something exciting, you'll see it here first. Here goes nothing. Nothing looks different. The first special there. It's about a King's Cup. Tornado available on November 11th. Whoa, 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 what? Where is it? Oh, oh man. Yep, the tornado is confirmed. I've seen videos about it, but it looks like we are getting a new Legendary card. I took a glance at it, but it made me go away. And we're gonna get 2 more cards every 2 weeks, so in 10 days we'll get the it's not Legendary, so you might have a better chance of getting it than whatever's coming up. But I don't know yet. I don't know anything yet. I can't say what it is going to be, but it's going to be sick. You know, let's say we get a few battles. Here's my deck I'm using. You can pause the video if you want to take a look or something, but let's just do a battle just for the heck of it. I mean, I can't make it this short of a video, but tornado card is here. I'm running a X-Bow deck. I'm going to get my X-Bow down. Now I'm going to put crap. What should I do? Fire Spirits, maybe. I took out the Knight, at least. I can get my Goblins down on the Wizard. I'm going to put my Mini P.E.K.K.A to counter. From luck and get up enough Elixir and throw a Hog in there for a push. And there we go. Now it's kind of a late add to the push, but, oh crap, P.E.K.K.A. I did get a bit of damage on, but now I gotta focus on him. Well, X-Bow, activate. Actually, I need to put down my poison. Come on. It's gonna take it out, come on. There we go, here we go, come on. Nah, they're taking the tower. Come on, yes! That wizard isn't too worrying, at least. So now we know they have a P.E.K.K.A, but I got my Mini P.E.K.K.A now. How do you like it, huh, punk? Take this. Dang it! I think it's gonna get a second charge in, yep. I just stopped it. Wow. I am not doing very good. He's probably got his P.E.K.K.A coming in. Oh crap. Put my Musketeer down to... Yeah, he's gonna get that down, but I can get down my X-Bow quicker. Crap, I meant to put down my Mini P.E.K.K.A. They don't have me, but, oh crap, they have that going in there, maybe they do. Ooh, sweet, I didn't realize I was getting that at the top. Musketeer into counter, Fire Spirits to counter. He's focusing on the 3-star. I'm gonna try and play a little bit of defense and a little bit of offense, so I can get my... Crap. Ooh. I'm gonna put my poison, because if he puts anything there, it'll damage it. considering he's... Oh, man. I wasn't paying attention to my tower's health. Wow. That wasn't really good. Wait a second, do I have two of the same deck or something? Pretty much. Huh. I'm gonna try and mix it up and we can try this deck. What should I use? What should I use? What should I use? I wish you guys could tell me, but you can't. Baby Dragon. They're really annoying. Or Fireball. Or, yeah, Fireball in for... Actually, you know what? That's good. There's a lot of... Because I just don't want two exact same decks. Right, I'm gonna run a Skeleton Army Hog Rider push. See how that goes. They counter with... Ooh. I'm gonna stall it up. I'm gonna counter with Goblins. Nah. I'm gonna counter with Musketeer. He's a bit stronger, so he could take on the, she could take on the thing. Yeah. I'm gonna use Wizard to counter. Magic. Fireball. I'm gonna put skeletons in there to shield it. Out of harm's way. Oh crap. Good thing it's going down. Oh crap. Oh crap. If we can keep the baby dragon busy. I shouldn't actually have to worry about it. Ooh, I could worry about that. Mini Pecker should stop it in its tracks. Should go down quickly. I think I'm going to counter with Musketeer. And I'm going to counter their Skeleton Horde with a Wizard. Crap. I'm playing too much defense. I'm going to put offense on the right lane since we since that Wizard stayed alive. Oh. Really? That was in... What? You don't use a rocket to defend a Wizard. That's a tip for anybody watching. You don't use a rocket. Don't play it like that, do ya? Haha. Well, I think I'm going to push down the left lane at all. I'm going to save a veil of the elixir. I'm going to put a poison spell down there. I should take out everything right there. I'm going to put this. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, Skeleton Army in the front. Crap, crap, come on, come on. Yes. Dude, I'm pushing him to the defense. Come on, come on, come on. What am I gonna do? Zap them. I don't know. I'm gonna... Okay, think which... Alright. Nah, I lost. Give him a good game. I think that was a good video. Oh, I was demoted. Dang it. Wait. Let's see. Yep. Arena 6. Alright guys, hey, thanks for watching. We saw the all-new Arena 6 and above Tornado. And some more cards we'll be seeing soon. Come back to my channel to see them first. I'm pretty sure the rest of it really is... Ooh, the King's Cup. I don't know what the King's Cup's about. You're gonna have to research that yourself. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. See you in the next video.